Hello everyone, I am your host Tushar Gupta and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, The Tech Job. Today we are starting a new series of tech news in which I will tell you the latest tech related information regarding mobile phones, laptops and many more. If you end up liking this video, then hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more updates. Also share this video with your friends and provide your feedback in the comment section down below. So let's get started. So let's start our first tech news with Wi-Fi 6. Recently many companies have launched their products in the market which have Wi-Fi 6 such as smartphones, tablets, notebooks and routers. According to a report, the role of Wi-Fi 6 is very important in low power indoor positioning, IoT communications and augmented reality or virtual reality. With the help of 6 GHz Wi-Fi, we can get faster connection speed with no signal interference with the existing equipment. So let's jump on to our next tech news. There have been some rumors that HMD Global may include 120Hz refresh rate screen in its Nokia 9.3 PureView smartphone. However, the screen will be an OLED or LCD panel is still not known. Since the rumors are not always true, the Nokia 9.3 PureView can come up with under-display selfie camera and a combination of 108 megapixel and 64 megapixel rear camera. This device is expected to launch in the month of August or September. Every trade, commerce or service have been stopped during this lockdown, whether it is related to e-commerce service or any other service. However, the e-commerce operators were engaged in supplying the essential products to the public. Now, the e-commerce operators have announced that they will resume the sale of mobile phones, refrigerators, TV, laptops and stationery items from April 20 onwards. The Senior Home Ministry said that the vehicles used by the e-commerce operators will be allowed to fly with all necessary permissions. The next news is coming from Oppo that it has launched a new smartphone A92s in China. It has 6.57-inch screen with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 and 120Hz refresh rate. It will sport two front cameras which are 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel and four rear cameras which are 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and another 2 megapixel. This device will be powered by a 2 GHz octa-core processor which could be a MediaTek processor. Another exciting news is coming from OnePlus that it has launched OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro globally on April 14. The main highlighting feature of these smartphones are 5G support and wireless charging, which are going to push the pricing up. However, these smartphones are not launched in India yet. The OnePlus 8 Pro has 6.78-inch display with maximum resolution of 1440 into 3168 and 120Hz refresh rate screen. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with 8 and 12 gigs of RAM and 128 and 256 gigs of internal memory. Apple has always been in the hot list when it comes to smartphones. On April 15, Apple has launched its new smartphone known as iPhone SE 2020. It is a lower cost iPhone which starts at $399 for 64GB variant. The back portion of this iPhone resembles the iPhone 8 which has 4.7-inch screen with old style large bezels on top and bottom. It also has a home button which acts as a touch ID and is also available in 128 and 256GB variant.